Hi everyone, let's take a closer look at how we can add some cool, funky backgrounds to our Teams meetings for the installed version of Microsoft Teams on a Windows device or a Mac. So here I am on the Star Wars website, and I'm going to find a fun background. How about the Death Star ruins? I'm simply going to right-click on this image and save this image to my computer. Now, I have a folder on my desktop for backgrounds for Teams, and I'm just going to save this particular background here. We'll give that a minute to download. And now what I'm going to do, in order to add this to the proper folder for Microsoft Teams backgrounds, I'm simply going to come down here to the search bar in the taskbar on my desktop. And I'm going to type in %appdata, all uppercase, %/Microsoft Teams backgrounds. We'll make sure that's spelt correctly. And when I hit enter, it's going to search for that particular folder. Notice inside this folder, I can see all the standard backgrounds that are available in Microsoft Teams, and I can see an uploads folder. I'm going to add that particular background from my folder on my desktop to this uploads folder. So I'm going to split my screen by pressing the Windows key and the right arrow on my keyboard, and go back to my desktop, find that backgrounds folder. There's that background image I downloaded, and I'm simply going to drag it over to uploads. Now, when I'm in Teams about to join the team meeting, I'm simply going to come to the lobby tools here and make sure my camera is turned on, my microphone's turned on, and I'm going to toggle on the background switch. And this is going to open up that panel of all those background options that I have, including any images that I have uploaded to that uploads folder. And here's that latest image. I just simply click it to apply it, and I can close that panel and join my meeting. If I'm already inside the meeting, I can turn on my background by simply coming down to the toolbar, clicking the three dots or the Timbits for more options, and turning on Show Background Effects. Again, that panel will open up to the right, and I can choose the background that I want to apply, including choosing from those backgrounds we added to that uploads folder. Now, one last thing to keep in mind is that adding a background like this is only available on a Windows device or a Mac, and you have to use the installed version of Microsoft Teams on that device.